We made it to Glacier Point. I was taking a nap. I feel good now. We're gonna go to Sentinel Dome and Taft Point next. Finish it off strong. Hopefully I can find parking. It's a nightmare. All right, let's go do it. Welcome to Glacier Point. People have been coming to Glacier Point for generations to see one of the most spectacular views on Earth. For a panoramic vista of Yosemite Valley, walk along the trail to Glacier Point, located 1/4 of a mile from where you're now standing. Along the trail, you can visit the geology hut, exhibit on the glaciation and landforms, and watch for other interpretive exhibits pointing out Half Dome, waterfalls, and views of the High Sierra. Glacier Point Hotel. Revegetation. For generations, Glacier Point has been one of the most popular destinations in all of Yosemite. Nearly 1 million visitors enjoy the magnificent vistas in the High Sierra and Yosemite Valley from this site each year. Glacier Point has suffered because of its popularity. The unhealed scars of heavy use, previous development, and the 1969 fire required substantial rehabilitation and revegetation in 1997. You are now standing on the site of two famous Yosemite landmarks, Macaulay's Mountain House, 1872 to 1969, and the Glacier Point Hotel, between 1917 and 1969. Both structures were built from trees cut down near this site. They both burned to the ground on the evening of July 9, 1969. Rather than rebuild the hotels, the National Park Service decided to reduce development and provide unimpaired views to all visitors. That's when we hiked to yesterday. You see the people? Yeah, barely. Climate at Glacier Point. Vegetation. The shrubby, ground-hugging chaparral plants that grow here are evergreens. In winter, the heavy snowpack insulates them from the cold. Summer is a more stressful time for the chaparral. Leathery leaves help protect the plants from dehydrating in the hot, dry climate. The plants are drought tolerant and can survive in the arid, gravelly soil. Here, the winters are wet and cold. The summers are warm and dry. Almost all storms come from the west and are heavily laden with moisture. As the warm, moist air from the coast meets the mountains of the Sierra, it rises, cools, and condenses, releasing its moisture in the form of rain and snow. California agriculture depends on the watery bounty of the Sierra snowpack. The average midwinter snowpack is 6 to 7 feet at this elevation of 7,200 feet. Says to do Sentinel Dome first, followed by Taft Point for the sunset. So we'll do this one right quick, then turn around and come back, use the bathroom, continue to Taft Point. I think it's about 5.1 miles round trip. Someone said 1,100 feet. I don't think so. Oh crap, I forgot to start. Okay, started my tractor. Brought the hiking poles, just in case, if I'll need them. Just me, or is the air a little thin up here? Just me? Oh, okay. Uh-oh. That looks awful ominous. Can I give you hope? 0.1 miles. It's like, okay. Hi. Slow and steady wins the race. Same way, look at my pulse. Going down. I need them. Not coming up. Holy cow. This is really far up here. Wow. Oh, it sure is windy. Like, where do you even look? It's so cool. This is a waterfall. I just love the water. What can I say? You're really high up here. You did it. We will have to see. I don't think we'll be able to make it to Taft Point, but I'm going to try and hurry. So let's try it. I look so stupid. Let's get down there. It's all downhill to the thing and then back uphill and back downhill. It looks more impressive when you're down here. Look, I climbed up there. We may not be able to do Taft Point. I know it's still pretty bright out, but it's almost 5:30. And I just realized that I have like another 45 minutes to drive down Glacier Point alone, let alone another hour and a half to get back to my campsite. But hey, Sentinel Dome's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. It's beautiful. Breathtaking. Wow, look at that. I mean, just around every corner, you know? Sounds like rushing water. Also, look at these cute little flowers. Dude, they're everywhere. Look at all of them. Oh, they sure are cute. Oh, no, it actually wasn't that bad. Yeah, it's just gonna take me 2 hours to get back to the campground, and I need to shower still, and I'm gonna stop and get another bag of ice. Oh, what can I say? I need ice, okay? Lots of ice, all the ice. So I'm just gonna go do that. And then, I don't know, I may do this. I'm going to see how I feel after tomorrow's hike. I may do like the mirror trail, but I could have made it. But, you know, I wanted to take a little break, you know? Anyways, okay, let's go back. YOLO. Hey, thanks for coming with me. What did we do today? Holy crap, I can't even list it all. Okay, we parked at let me try to remember, the lower Yosemite Falls, and we did the lower Yosemite Falls loop, including the vista and the viewpoint, which I thought was kind of weird. Why do it's the same thing, but they have a couple of like views. We saw the John Muir cabin site. It's no longer there. We went through Cook's Meadow, and we went to the swinging bridge picnic area and had a little snack. That was kind of fun. We filmed the swinging bridge again as we came back. Oh, and we saw the chapel as well. I forgot about that. They had some type of event going on there. Sorry, I'm like leaning back. I'm comfy, okay? Anyways, they had some type of event at the chapel, so we couldn't go in. And then what else did we do? Listen, we did a lot today, okay? And then we tried to do Bridalveil Falls. Oh, and then we did a couple of viewpoints too. We did El Capitan Meadow, and we did the Valley View as well. And we tried to do Bridalveil Falls. Fail. Drove up here and then waited for a parking spot. And then we did this hike. And we did the Glacier Point, which was very beautiful. Anyways, whoa, we did a lot today. I mean, I'm clocking over 8 miles. So, I'm just kidding. I have no idea. I mean, we did like 4 miles in the valley. 7-ish? 8? Kind of tooling around the meadows. I don't know. Anyways, so that's it. Hey, thanks for coming with me today. It's Wednesday. I don't know what day it is anymore. It's Wednesday, May 29th. Tomorrow is Thursday, the 30th. So we're going to be doing the Upper Yosemite Falls Trail. And then that's it. I think I'm just going to go back. That's the only thing I have planned for tomorrow, because I'm afraid if I plan anything else, I'm just going to be... Oh, that's what the other thing we did today. We took a nap for an hour. It was great. I just went like this, literally. Okay? Anyways. So let's go back. I'm done. It's going to take me 2 hours to get back. Let's go. Look at my beautiful view, by the way. This is awesome. Say goodbye to Yosemite. Bye, Yosemite. See you tomorrow.